Actually the beginning of a new era, because tell me what the team at the Honest Bunch podcast are doing. So last night, they came up with a very, very big news. Recall that the show has been down for a while, with the exit of Nedu Azobia, of course, who is a co-host. Now they have announced a new host, and guess who? Yes, the controversial Daddy Freeze. I mean, who else? Who is a better option? Of course, Daddy Freeze. The Honest Bunch is known for unfiltered comments. The podcast is very brutally honest. They bring people that want to see their truth, and who is a better host? Who can get the truth out of people other than Daddy Freeze? So, for some of you that don't know, the show was co-hosted by Nedu Azobia, who had a bit of issues. Some girls accused him of demanding for sex. D1 came on the show and accused very dark man of being gay. A lot of issues, is on our website. Please go there and read. So Nedu Azobia decided to respectfully resign from the show. He had a press conference where he addressed the whole issues and then resigned from the show. But now that we are here with Daddy Freeze, what do you expect? Please tell us in the comment section. Like, comment, and subscribe. And please read this on our website. We have this on our website. My name is Augustina with the News Chronicle.